What value can advisors have in using ActiveShare in evaluating funds?
It's an interesting input, but I think oftentimes it's been misframed, so I don't think it's nearly as reliable as a predictor of future performance as some of the sort of research that really brought this metric to the fore would have us believe. What we saw ultimately was that the results of a lot of that research suffered from the fact that they didn't appropriately look at it on a category by category basis. So it's an interesting input and nothing more. I would not use this as the sole driver of a decision when it comes to analyzing or assessing or investing in an actively managed fund. It probably wouldn't even make my top 10 list, to be quite frank.